How to change your name on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Facebook, and you can open it up on your phone, on your laptop or PC. And then you have to go to your settings. In your settings, we will be able to change our name on Facebook. So you will get your Meta account center right here, and you have to click on personal details. In personal details, click on account and profile. It will show you all of the different accounts that you have connected to your Meta account center. This is my Facebook profile. So I'm going to select this one. And now you can see it's giving me different options such as name, username, and profile picture. So I'm going to click on name. And here we can customize our first and last name on Facebook. You won't be able to change your name if you have already changed it in last 60 days. Keep that in mind. And if you have not changed it in last 60 days, then you can actually change it really easily. Just add it right here. We can always change the order of the name if we want, or we can add different names as well. Similarly, you can go to the username and change the username anytime you want. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.